Hi all, welcome to the Local Guides birthday celebration. As you all know, Connect has turned 5 years, so all of us are here to celebrate the birthday. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for coming and being a part of these fun celebrations. So, I don't want to do any presentation or anything over here today because we are here to have fun and do the celebrations. So I would like to start with TG sir. TG sir, can you tell more about like how was your journey and how long have you been on Connect and what is the best part of Connect that you like or which section on Connect like food or travel, photography, what do you like?
Hindi. Hindi siya mapipilitan hindi. Tumadamang natin na din.
TG sir? I think he got disconnected. Maybe we can start next with Jay. You want to share? Like, how long have you been on Connect and
Sure. Why
yeah.
not? Why
Please go ahead.
not? Yeah. Okay. So I joined the local guides program exactly 4 years ago, like 23rd of July, 2017. And this is 25th, right? So I got a anniversary email from Google. That was surprising.
Yeah.
But I joined Connect only in May 2nd, 2019. So I had no idea Connect actually exists before that. So I joined because of the 2019 Connect Live application process. So we were supposed to write a post.
Yeah.
So I just came up with some post, whatever. I mean, I'm a lot into photography, so I posted some picture and I wrote something. I'm not a very good writer, but I tried to do my best. And fortunately, I got selected to the Connect Live 2019.
Wow.
And that is the very first time I interacted with any local guides. In fact, before the Connect Live, we had a meetup. Of course, Adrian organized one of the meetup to get to know what to expect in Google. Of course, I have gone to many Google events before, so this was not the first. But anyway, so he organized a meetup. I think Jan was there. So that is the first time I interacted with any local guides, virtually. Then it started State Challenge. I started attending them every week. So I got to know more people in India now because of that. Before, so it's actually a blessing in disguise, even though COVID is horrible.
Yeah.
But there are some positive things. I got to make new friends like Kashif. I mean, he's been helping and also advising as well, so he's great. A lot of other people, of course. We have Tejal here. Well. I mean, we all interact. Virtually through Connect and stuff like that. So it's all great.
Yeah.
Even though, yeah, that is my journey for the local guides as such.
Wow, that's great. And what is the one thing that you find is different on Connect than the other social apps if you are active? I mean, like on Facebook or whatever. What do you like
Yeah,
more?
yeah. So the thing is, I mean, I am all. I'm on all other social media too. But the problem with other social media, so there are a lot of opinionated people.
Yes.
You probably get mostly false information and things of that nature, right? And also, you know how Facebook works. It's all
Yeah.
targeted based on your interactions. The information gets pushed to you. Whereas in the Connect, it's very different. I mean, people are honestly writing about their experiences and stuff like that. I find it a very learning experience. I mean, I also write posts, but I enjoy reading a lot of other people's posts where I can learn from the information, their personal experiences of travel
Yeah.
and stuff like that. I mean, obviously, I cannot travel every part of the world, but this is a great place to sit at home and enjoy what other people have experienced and read about it. Probably one day I can visit there. So that those are some of the things. And the other thing is, people are so motivated to behind so many different causes, and so they are creating awareness. I mean, obviously, if I go on Facebook, I don't find them.
Yeah.
Whereas in Connect, I can get educated myself about all these other causes, and obviously, when I find time, I can also participate in those things. I mean,
Right.
recently I attended Ernst. He is doing some of the Google Earth related initiatives, and probably I'll start doing that too. So these are great experiences compared to other social media.
Yeah.
So there is no crap. I can say that.
Yes.
So like other social media, this is a great place where people express their honest opinion about their personal experiences. So this is a great place to learn as such.
Absolutely. I cannot agree more. Thank you so
Right.
much for sharing your experience with us, Jay.
Thank you.
Next, I think, Traveler sir, are you ready to speak now? You're speaking on mute. I guess we are not able to hear.
Give
No.
me,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, now, yes.
Yeah. So I just wanted to quickly share, my responsibility as admin over there. So Jai and other friends, good evening. Welcome. I'm Travelgy once again. I'm a level 10 guide from Kerala, presently in Bangalore, though I stay in Aircard in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, my point, what Jay told is very correct, but I may not agree 100% because nowadays many a times I see uh, local guides connect going very slow. To be very frank, I mean there is a trend saying that everybody says everything is good, 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 clapping. But I want to be more critical nowadays. I try to be more critical. No doubt about that. We have to promote each other, and but the question is how far are we supported by Google? I am not criticizing anybody. I've asked Google, my moderator, about a couple of my doubts. The last couple of months, I'm still waiting. There's nothing. I've asked the simple question: what is the recognized edit? One question, simple question. So I just feel very frustrated sometimes. When I have 250 names of new places added, whereas what is happening? Then some. If I add one place, sometimes it reflects as added, sometimes no. And can somebody give some answer? Not even the Googlers are coming up. So there are some situations like that. Whereas the other part, what Jay told is very correct. We have a wonderful family setup. Even if we do mistakes, people will say good. But then more than that, yeah, there is something where when you feel little depressed, you open, you will get charged. That is Connect. I agree. And the 5th anniversary blessings and wishes once again. And the initiative, Isha, is a wonderful event and initiative you are doing. And I wish all the best to each of you. All the best. I'm there with you all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
One more thing, TG sir, you wanted to share regarding some initiative that you are about to start. So can you share about that?
Yes, there are two main initiatives. Sharing, the limitation of the hardware. So one is that we are starting a triumph, a small effort to share our photographic knowledge and the platform of mobile photography. From the next Sunday, it will be the first intro section. That is 1st of August, 6:30 p.m. IST. We will be starting with the first mobile photography introduction. That is foundation of mobile photography is the topic, and me and Jason will be there. Now I think Morton and others also may join. So I'm hopefully waiting for more professionals to give us more tips and supports. Even Jay can support us. Let's see how it grows. That's number one. And so number two is there is a mega series which I announced called Mahabalipuram Mega Series. What exactly I meant by Mega Series was that I wanted to explore all the different possible tourist destinations in Mahabalipuram, list it, make a Google map. That is, I'm talking about the layer map, and then make it available so that a person who goes to Mahabalipuram can take it as a referral manual. And 51 POIs of Mahabalipuram going in 51 days, it will be published. It will be I mean, I'm ready with everything. Final proofreading is going on. So these are the two humble triumphs from my end. I know people may not be able to read all the 51 at, since it is coming every day. I am expecting that as a referral data. Thanks a lot once again. Thanks a lot for giving me opportunity to express myself. Isha, thank you.
Yeah,
Over.
thank you so much. Thank you. So can you just share the link if you have of the so that others, if they want, they can join. You know, the
Okay.
connect link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll manage in between. I'll manage in between.
Okay.
Surely,
Okay.
surely.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Sure,
you.
sure.
Um,
Welcome.
Next, we have Deliana. Would you like to go ahead and share like how has been your journey? And you were also a guiding star. So how was your feeling? And what is the best thing about Connect that you like?
Yeah, thank you, Isha. So, my story is join with Connect is not that long. I only joined with Connect. I think when the pandemic just begun, so it March 20. Uh, while I'm using the Google Maps, just started on 2018. And I know Google Maps, I'm just user, right? When I'm receiving the invitation, Connect Live 2019. And after that, I don't know what is this, right? So finally, I found the local community here in Indonesia, which is Tangerang, where I live. And then I joined. And after that, I, joined with Connect, and it's incredible because I met everyone. I met you, Isa, and I met everyone here. It's really great, right? To
Yes.
see, friends across the world. And after that, I also learned a lot because, I don't know nothing, especially like accessibility. That don't know nothing.
Yeah.
Learn from everyone and how to improve our review in Google Maps, etc. So I think this is also improving how to provide the information and share to the public and help them, because if we are providing a great information, it will be a big help for everyone,
Yeah.
including myself when I'm reading the review from others. So
Correct.
from that, I think now I really enjoy with these communities, and as much as possible connect with each other. Of course, because it's quite busy right now, but
Yeah.
definitely it's still, connect each other. So that's my journey. It's really
Absolutely.
great.
Yeah, and the best part of Connect is you can also, start your own series, or if you want to promote anything. Like, I have just shared it in the chat box if you can see. I have started a Maps for All series. So, what does this basically do is it focuses on include helping the local businesses and including accessibility and inclusion as much as in the contribution as possible. So the main motto of the series is that throughout the year, at least one meetup per month, we can all come together, discuss, learn, share, whatever ways we can in which we can help the people around us in our community. Okay. So that is what a series that I had started, and I think this is the one thing, like Jay said, this is different about this part I love about Connect is that we can start our own good initiatives, and um we the people we know will follow, right? If they are interested, I mean, this people with same passion, they can follow that. So that is one good thing. So yeah,
Yes, Isa, that's
next,
true. Thanks.
next, Tejalben, you would like to share something like how has been your journey and any initiative or anything that you would like to share?
Yeah, sure. Uh, I have started this journey before 3 to 4 years back in the month of August. I think 4th August is my date when I
Okay.
had joined the. And my first meetup was uploading photos on of regarding public toilet. So it was the second October event, and in Gujarat Local Guide have decided to do the campaigning for the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. and we have updated the information on the Google Map regarding public toilet, the location of public toilet, the photos of the inside the toilet, outside the toilet, front photo view toilet, and my first meetup was featured. And that time I was not aware about that, and and very happy, and I keep contributing on the map. And but the best part of my life is the what I'm doing for the specially able and blind children.
Yes.
So now we have decided the time every Monday. So tomorrow also I am having a class every Monday 3 to 4. I will take them to the virtual tool on Google Map. So tomorrow we are having a Mumbai Darshan.
Wow.
So every week I will take them to the virtual tour with the help of Google Map, and after that I will explain about the general knowledge thing regarding colors, community helpers, what doctors are doing, name of the fruits, types of animals,
Nice.
alphabets, means Gujarati. It is totally
Yeah.
in Gujarati. So if you wish, you can also join. I wish that like me, everyone can involve Google Map in the education field.
True. Thank you so much. So this is one more use, like we can say, of Google Maps and the Connect platform, that we get to connect with a lot of people and raise awareness. So it's a very good thing. Thank you so much for sharing, Tejal Bain. And I know that Naresh Bhai and you all had also prepared a very nice video collecting videos of us all. So we'll
Yeah.
share that after a moment. Let others share their experiences. Then maybe we can show it to all. Next, Shruti Tai, can you please go ahead and tell about yourself and your journey as a local guide?
Namaskar. I am Shruti from Mumbai, India, level 10 local guide. आणि हॅपी आहे. ईशाचं मस्त सेलिब्रेशन चाललं आहे. इथे थोडा प्रॉब्लेम होता पावसाचा, म्हणजे इथे पूर वगैरे आलेला, म्हणजे मुंबईत वगैरे पण खूप हालत होती. पण आता 2 दिवस जरा सनी डे आहे, त्याच्यामुळे थोडं बरं आहे.
गुड. छान
आणि
वाटलं
माझी
ऐकून. तुझी
मेरी
जर्नी सांग,
फर्स्ट
लोकल गाईडची जर्नी सांग तुझी.
local guide journey, my local guide journey started in 16 or 17. I am not actually date आठवत नाहीये मला. पण मी जेव्हा स्टार्ट केलं तेव्हा म्हणजे मी माझ्या आयडी वरून जेव्हा स्टार्ट केलं ना, माझ्याकडे नवीन फोन आला. पहिला तर मी पप्पांचा आणि माझ्या नवऱ्याचा फोन यूज करायची. तर माझा स्वतःचा फोन आला तर 2018 मध्ये मी स्टार्ट केलं. My journey started in 2018 officially. Then I'm happy to connect each and every person. Otherwise, I didn't get a opportunity to connect you all. कसं काय आपण भेटलो असतो जर लोकल गाईड नसतं, तर आपण भेटलोच कसं असतं. आपला काही म्हणजे आपण अगदी विरुद्ध दिशेला आहोत सगळेजण. डेल असो, तेजलबेन असो, टीजी सर असो, किंवा सगळेच, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय माहितीच नसतं जर लोकल गाईड नसतं तर. त्याच्यामुळे खूप मोठा टर्निंग पॉइंट होता ऍक्च्युली लोकल गाईड जॉईन करणं. आणि आता जवळजवळ 4 वर्ष तरी झाली असतील ऑफिशियली आपण सगळे आहोत इथे. अमरीश भाई असेल, किंवा पहिला नंद होता. खूप छान. आणि तेजलबेन ज्याप्रमाणे म्हणाले, तर माझा पण ते फर्स्ट मीटअप होतं टॉयलेट मॅपिंगचं, गुगल टॉयलेट मॅपिंगचं. आणि आम्ही फर्स्ट म्हणजे फीचर झालेलो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान मध्ये. तर ते खूप असं वाव मुवमेंट होतं आमच्यासाठी. तेजलबेन आणि माझा फोटो फीचर झाला होता. अजून पण मी काल परवा पण पाहिला, तो इंडिया टुडे मध्ये तो फोटो होता.
आनंद वाटतो बघून.
तर छान वाटलं असं. खूप छान. आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग जेव्हा जेव्हा तुम्ही सगळे भेटलात मला, म्हणजे तुम्ही गायडिंग स्टार झालात. इवन इंडियातर्फे इतके वर्ष मॉडरेटर नव्हते आणि मॉडरेटर मिळाले आपल्याला. वी गॉट फर्स्ट इंडियन मॉडरेटर. दॅट वॉज अ हॅपी मोमेंट फॉर मी.
Yes, 100%. So thank you so much for sharing. So I'll just quickly translate for those who don't understand Marathi. So what she says was she had started her journey from her phone at least from 2018, and she's really happy to connect with all of us. Um, from so many years, and she also says that thanks to Connect that every one of us are together today. So she is really really happy to be a part of this family. Thank you so much for sharing, Shruti Rai. We are happy to have you here. Next, who would like to go ahead? I think Kashif ji, are you there? He was driving, I think.
Our senior Prakash Panchal is there.
Yes. Prakash ji, are you there?
गूगल को भी समझना चाहिए कि जब इतने लोग लोकल गाइड मिलके गूगल के लिए काम कर रहे हैं तो गूगल को भी उन्हें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, इंटरनली भी और वाइडली भी. जब उन्हें फ्री की सैलरी के बंदे मिल रहे हैं जो 2-2 लाख रुपए पेड करके भी गूगल अगर रखेगा तो नहीं मिलेंगे. लोकल गाइड फ्री में काम कर रहे हैं थ्रू आउट 24/7. आप अगर मैं आपसे कहूं, आप में से कितने लोग जॉब करते हैं, कितनी घंटे की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं आप लोग? 8 आवर्स की, एंड यू गेट द सैलरी. You got the salary. And for Google, I know some people are working 24/7. Don't think about their eating, they're working, they're all साइड में रख देते हैं मतलब सारे काम को, बट दे आर वर्किंग फॉर गूगल. क्यों? गूगल मीटअप हो रहा है, गूगल में एडिशन चल रही है, गूगल में फोटोग्राफ सिलेक्शन चल रहा है. मैंने अभी तक गूगल में 36,000 फोटोग्राफ शेयर कर दिए हैं. एंड इवन कोई है यहाँ पर जिसका 36,000 के फोटोग्राफ्स हो? बताइए मुझे जरा.
जय के होंगे, जय के सबसे ज्यादा है, बहुत हद ज्यादा
हाँ,
है
जय से व्हाट इज योर स्कोर जय जी? Can you please share?
43,000.
Yeah, 43,000.
And I have 500 million views so far.
Oh my God.
Yes. अब आप सुनिए, इतने फोटोग्राफ्स लोड करने के लिए आपको कितना टाइम चाहिए? एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 years. Yes. अच्छा, चलिए पहले मैं अपनी जर्नी बताता हूँ आप लोगों को, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. 2018 में मुझे जयपुर जाना था, तो मैं आई एम गोइंग फॉर बाई रोड, तो मैंने गूगल को सेलेक्ट किया और बाई रोड मैंने वो ट्रिप पूरा किया. एंड इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि गूगल बड़ा हेल्प करता है. बट समवेयर आई एम स्टक समवेयर. आपको पता है गूगल ने मुझे ले जाके जंगल में कोने में छोड़ दिया रात को. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि गूगल हर जगह ठीक है, बट हाँ, for nearby people, for business purposes, this is very good. But all work is depending on us. Us means local guides. ठीक है? We are promoting our local guide businesses. ठीक है? Places, हम reviews लिखते हैं, तो ये सब बहुत अच्छा है. बट गूगल को थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए थोड़ा वाइड करना पड़ेगा चीजें, ताकि कुछ फैसिलिटीज दे हैव टू प्रोवाइड अस फॉर एवरी लोकल गाइड्स. दे आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग द स्पेस. एटलीस्ट जो स्पेस हम लोग यूज करते थे गूगल का, वो धीरे धीरे अपनी पॉलिसीज को कट ऑफ करता जा रहा है. दिस इज वेरी बैड थिंग. आई एम नॉट काउंटर गूगल डायरेक्टली, बट दीज थिंग्स आर काउंटेबल होती है. ठीक है? तो गूगल, वैसे गूगल का प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज प्रोवाइडिंग वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स लाइक महाराष्ट्र कम्युनिटी, टीजी सर, पटनायक, ऑल ओवर इंडिया, और कुछ फॉरेन के भी फ्रेंड्स हैं. तो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता नहीं है कि आप लोग एक जगह बैठ के पूरे वर्ल्ड में घूम सको और फ्रेंड्स बना सको. एंड इवन कुछ दोस्त तो ऐसे हैं जो टाइम टू टाइम दे आर सपोर्टिंग अस. तो हम लोगों को एक दूसरे का भी ख्याल रखना है, साथ में किसी को भी बैक ऑफ नहीं होने देना है. देखो, मेरा पर्पस ये नहीं है कि मुझे मॉडरेटर बनाया जाए या गूगल मुझे कनेक्ट पे इनवाइट करे, बट एटलीस्ट मेरे वर्क का रिकॉग्निशन तो होना चाहिए ना. रिवार्ड्स मुझे जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसका अगर मुझे रिटर्न रिवार्ड भी नहीं मिलेगा तो इट इज वेरी पैथेटिक. व्हाई आई एम डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
Exactly, agree.
देखो, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप लोगों काम करना बंद करो, यू डू योरसेल्फ. क्योंकि जैसे मेरे को एडिक्शन हो गया है पिछले 4 सालों में. मैं जहां भी जाता हूँ फोटो, हाँ एडिक्शन, मैं फोटो खींचना शुरू कर देता हूँ. वहां के बारे में क्या क्या है मैं इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करने लगता हूँ. दिस इज डूइंग ऑटोमेटिकली. अब ये क्या होता है कि ये हमें आदत हो गई है. आदत ये हो गई है कि वी आर सपोर्टिंग एवरीवन, हम इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करते हैं, फोटोग्राफ्स को अपलोड करते हैं, दिस इज आवर रूटीन वर्क. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वी आर डम, वी कैन थिंक.
Prakash ji, 1 second. I would
Yeah.
like to support Prakash ji because there is one name we have missed. I don't know whether somebody has mentioned it. I would like to mention it is Amrish Varshney.
Yeah.
One who
दैट्स ये ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई एम टॉकिंग, ये सबको पता है कि जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ किसके रिगार्डिंग कर रहा हूँ. दे नो मी.
नहीं,
ठीक है,
even
मैं
like that. Openly कर रहा हूँ.
think about you all.
He has done so
अभी
much
मैं-
for the community,
Always my
global
your
community.
always my name is always there in with my on my tongues.
Okay.
Always I am-
loudly talk. Thank you.
those who are including newly in local guide, everyone, मैं सबको एक ही बात समझाया हूँ. आप जितने भी लोगों से मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मिला हूँ लोकल गाइड, एज ए लोकल गाइड, तो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस ये रहा है कि आप लोग कुछ भी करो बट डोंट फॉरगेट योर बेस. जो आपका एम है ना, डोंट फॉरगेट योर एम. और अगर कम्युनिटी में वी आर वर्किंग तो वी हैव टू सपोर्ट ईच एंड एवरीवन. तो मैं यहीं पे खत्म कर रहा हूँ ईशा, ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचूंगा. तो गूगल इज वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म. वी आर ऑल फ्रेंड्स हेल्पिंग विद ईच अदर, बट समवेयर वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट ऑल्सो कि व्हाट इज प्रोवाइडिंग. गूगल इज ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट अस ना. इफ वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट Google Connect, we are celebrating each and every day for Google. So somewhere Google have to support us. That's all I want to say only. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Emeka. Emeka has started, as you all know, the One Accessibility initiatives was started by him. I think in 2017 or 16. But Emeka, are you there to speak more about it? Egna, do you want to share something like how has been your journey till date? What is the one thing that you love about Connect?
Okay. Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm late, and I just want to let you know we are at celebrating Eid in my community here, in Indonesian community here. So,
Oh,
uh,
happy Eid.
yeah, I know
Eid
it won't be it won't be long. So the thing that I love from it, being in Connect, I love the socializing like this, like now. You know, you meet everybody and you talk to everybody and you be friends with them. I love making friends.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that this year I was selected as a accessibility champion, and I'm so proud of it. To be honest with you, with that title, it comes more responsibility
Yes.
and more challenge, and I'm ready for that. And I'm planning and I'm thinking and uh, I would like to explore more towards a like not just wheelchair, but more to like other disability, blind, deaf, and other things. It is on my agenda already. Just a matter of have time to do that and pursue my plan. And I think that's it, Isha. And I'm so proud to be around you guys all the time. I try to attend meetup all the time. To be honest with you, right now, I just woke up. I don't want to put my camera on. You'll be like, oh my goodness, run away, hurry up.
No, we'll not. You have to turn on your camera later on because then we have a little bit of fun party for the last 10 minutes. So till then, you have 10 more minutes to get ready. In the
I
meantime,
know.
Emeka, are you back to share something about One Accessibility Initiative?
Hello, Isha. Can
Hi.
you hear me clearly?
It's very clear, Emeka.
Oh,
We can hear
okay.
you.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm sorry for joining late. I have my siblings. They are just preparing to go back to school, so I just saw them off. Yeah. Well, One Accessibility. In 2016,
Oh,
that was when I joined Connect. So Tracy posted an event about A11Y, which is the short form of accessibility. So she wanted to do an event so that she can create awareness about accessibility. So when I saw the post, I was like, wow, this is something I really want to do because while I was in high school, I had a friend who was disabled, you know. So each time we're going out to town, most times we get to carry him on our back because the facilities are not there to help him move freely. So all through school for about 3 years, we had fun with him that way. So when I saw Tracy's post, I was like, oh wow, I'm going to focus on this and help people around, get a lot of information on Google Maps. So I started. So I sent Tracy a message. Oh, can I start doing activities around it? She said, oh wow, that's cool. So I organized my first meetup then in 2017 in January. I got Lagos local guys to join me. That was a There were a lot of people. They came out, so we had fun in Lagos. We took our photographs. You know, the next time they asked us to send a photo of our work, so I sent a group picture which appeared on Connect. So everybody were like, "Oh wow, we're on Connect!" You know, they were so excited. So so that was how it started. So
Okay.
I started hosting regular meetups around accessibility, among other kinds of meetup. All of a sudden, I had people who were interested sending me messages. They want to be part of this. How can they start? What would they do on Google Maps for this accessibility meetup? So I tried to explain what they could do, how they could go to places and check if there is ramp, braille, or accessible toilets. So we had a challenge. I discovered that like in Lagos, so many new buildings didn't have accessibility features, many of them. But when we went to the marina, which was built like around 1960s, some of the buildings had accessibility trails. So I was like, oh wow. So why is it that buildings just after independence had ramps and features, but new buildings do not have them? So I just ventured to start looking out and finding out why. So I discovered that there were lapses in checking for this by government officials. And secondly, Nigeria didn't have an accessibility law.
Okay.
Yeah, so from Connect, I started connecting with other people like Jessica, like Megan, um, like Kashif, and everybody, you know. So we started the journey. Then in 2018, yeah. So when we went to California, right? I hosted my first meetup in San Francisco. Then, surprisingly, I got an award for accessibility.
Wow.
So yeah, so it was really exciting. You know, everybody was like, "Oh, you're doing a great job." Then the lead for accessibility at Google, so he called me after the event and said, "Wow, he's been seeing all that I do, but he's going to throw a challenge to me that when I go home, I should think about the next step on how to expand the project, you know." So I was like, oh, what am I going to do next? I'm just learning. I'm in the process, you know. Although I've been reading about accessibility, I've been reading about various laws, international laws, and I've seen works being done, especially like in the US and UK, where you have ADA. So when I got back in January 2019, we now formed the One Accessibility Alliance. Me, Megan, Kashif, Marine, and all of that. So 6 of us, like in 6 continents, you know. So it was really interesting. So we started writing about our experiences and helping other local guys to understand what to do about, accessibility. So basically, that's how it started. So today, I'm happy that everybody, almost all local guys, are interested and contributing to accessibility on Google Maps. last year or so, or 2019. So Google Maps recorded 500 million information on accessibility, courtesy of all local guides. So it was a great milestone. And I just want to thank everybody who has been part of the learning process. When we started, like every one of us didn't know what to write about. So I was like, okay, we are going to read about so many things and start writing anything about accessibility. So gradually we got to learn and here we are.
Thank you so much for sharing your journey. I mean, it's really inspiring, and we are all happy to be a part of Fun Accessibility, and it's a great initiative. So, I think now we should start. We have a time crunch, so if I think we can just start with Tejalbin. Can you just share the birthday video that we had prepared for
Yeah,
Connect?
sure.
Yeah. Please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Just a
Here
minute.
is a fun video that was created and collated by Naresh Bhai, and it's from local guides all over the world. In this video, you can come to know like what we do as local guides and how much passionate we are for it. Tejalben, please go ahead.
When we need to find something, when we need to go somewhere,
when we need to find information.
We all use Google Maps.
World changes so fast these days.
New businesses come and old businesses go.
Stores update daily codes, products, and services.
Contact, promotion, and opening hours change.
We add new places and remove the ones that are out of business.
We take pictures and videos of places, products, and services.
We answer questions related to specific locations on maps.
We add and update roads, places, and useful business information on maps.
Our contributions help all about business.
Our contributions help to highlight and improve businesses.
Our contributions help people decide where they want to go.
We help to make life easier for people around the world.
We are humans, just like everyone else.
We belong to different countries and regions.
We come from all walks of life, young or old.
We are explorers who share our experiences with the world.
We are passionate, want to help others.
We always come together as one big united family.
We help each other and also help all others.
We are all Google Local Guides.
Although local guides are all over the world,
we have united into a global family.
Our worldwide home is Local Guides Connect.
This month, we are celebrating Local Guides Connect's 5th birthday.
Happy birthday, Connect! We are Local Guides.
Yay! Thank you so much for sharing.
Wow.
That was
Yay! Clap, clap, clap. It's beautiful.
Yay!
So, we have few minutes remaining. So, just to let you know that Deepak ji, the one in the black cap, he is an awesome mouth organ player, and he's an Indian local guide from Maharashtra. So, hi, hello. Can you just play for us the happy birthday song, please? Okay, let's start. Bring your food. Sing everybody happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you so much. It was lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Also, we can just take a picture. So, Deliana, if you want to share anybody who has bought any food or anything, they can just catch for a moment so that we can take a quick photo. Whoever is taking. Deepak ji, you with your mouth organ. Yes, please. Okay, so let me take a screenshot.
Yeah, that's waffle.
Okay, mine is small cupcake that I made at home.
Yeah.
It's not that fancy, but yeah.
No, I mean just order online.
Okay.
Too busy to make it by myself.
But very good. You people are really amazing.
So now for the party to begin.
And
Okay, now Deepak ji is also going to play one more song. The song which you are going to play dedicated to all the local guides. Please play it. We'll go to it. I'm party ready.
Wow.
Wow,
Rosie,
Isha.
I like the flower. I like the flower in your head.
Her flowers, yeah. I think Gursheen had prepared, right, Rosie ma'am?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
My daughter Gulsheen made this tiara. She had got order, so I kept one for myself.
Okay,
Every
Deepak
time
ji,
I
please
wear
go
it.
ahead and play this after this. Yeah.
Friends, good morning, good evening. This song is for all local guides who are doing super impressive work for the Google Maps. I hope you enjoy it. ये साथ मिलके जहाँ रंगीन बनाएंगे.
Wow.
She won't charge you.
हमको रंगे ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे बिताएंगे हाल दिल गा के सुनाएंगे हम तो साथ हैं ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे तरम पम 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 पम
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you.
playing live. Thank you.
Namaste.
This was just a little bit fun part. Thank you so much.
And Deepak has
I'm super
posted
happy that
many
all
of
of you
his
came
videos on his
for
YouTube.
this fun celebration. Deliana.
Dua.
Thank you. Thank you
That
so
is super
much.
cool,
That was
Amita.
fun.
Lovely. Woohoo.
Thank you all for joining, and I'm super happy that this meetup ended so well, and we ended up celebrating so nicely. Thank you, Deepak ji, for playing specially for us. It's really sweet of you to do so, and we are really happy and glad that you're part of a big local guide community. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you.
lovely day and lovely week and month and year. Bye bye. See you at the next
Bye.
meetup.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.